Ever feel like your paycheck disappears into thin air? You work hard, yet your wallet feels like a black hole. Yeah, same here, until I flipped the script. Welcome to Money Matters with Hope, where we talk about how to make money, budget, save money, and spend wisely. I used to live paycheck to paycheck on a small income, barely surviving. Today, I manage my money smarter, stress less, and even save. You don't need a six-figure salary to have control. You just need strategy and a little bit of self-awareness. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Even if it's just £5 a week, it adds up and rewires your money mindset. I gave up on complicated spreadsheets. Instead, I use a 3-bucket system: essentials, goals, and fun. Every Sunday, I review my expenses with one question: did this bring me joy or move me forward? I unsubscribed from sale emails and deleted food delivery apps. Out of sight, out of swipe. For fun money, I use cash or a prepaid card. When it's gone, it's gone. Instant self-control. I automated bills and savings. One less thing to worry about equals more brain power for better habits. Meal planning once a week cuts my food costs by half. No more random takeouts draining my wallet. Free doesn't mean boring. I do walks, library days, and game nights. Joy doesn't need a price tag. Tracking my net worth, no matter how small, motivates me more than tracking every penny. When I could, I added a side hustle. Freelancing, selling old clothes affiliate links. Little income streams equal big mental relief. I stopped saying I'm broke and started saying I'm building. I'm not behind. I'm learning, growing, and in control. Managing money on a small income isn't easy, but it's 100% possible. If this gave you hope, like this video, drop a money bag emoji in the comments and hit subscribe. Let's build financial freedom one habit at a time. You've got this.